Ayan. So, eto, in the Philippines kasi, what I realize since I serve local clients, wala silang understanding talaga what differentiates an accountant from a bookkeeper. Kaya sinama ko to, ito yung key differences ng accountant at bookkeeper. Sa accounting kasi, yung process includes analyzing and interpretation of data. Sa bookkeeping kasi, recording lang siya at saka organizing ng finances. So kapag lumalaki na yung business mo, you can probably do bookkeeping yourself. Pero kapag gusto mo na talaga siyang palakihin to the next level, you might need an accountant by then. No? Yung purpose ng bookkeeping is to maintain yung detailed and systematic na record. Sa accounting, kailangan pa rin yun, pero kasama na doon yung insight into the business financial health at saka yung decision making. Ayan. Yung focus kapag bookkeeping, ito yung mga transaction level ng data, like yung sales, purchases, payments, yan. Pag sa accounting, kasama na dito yung financial analysis and reporting. So, this is for this reason, kaya may mga client ako ng trabaho ko lang talaga is to enter when kailangan ng ayusin yung reporting na side. Hindi ako ang gumagawa ng bookkeeping, pero ako ang gumagawa ng reporting. So, yun siya. Yung activities, eto siya, sa bookkeeping, yung recording, maintaining ng ledgers, maintaining ng payroll, at saka yung mga bank reconciliation. Yung pag-prepare ng financial statement, yung pag-perform ng financial statement analysis, pag-create ng mga budget and forecast, at saka yung tax preparation and filing, usually this goes to the accountant. Ang maganda dito, the financial tool that I have created actually do this for you as well. Hindi lang kasama yung analysis ng financial statement, pero yung creation ng report, yung pag-create ng budget and forecast, kaya nang gawin. So parang, as someone is starting, kung kaya pang i-handle lang time mo, yung ganung part ng pagbubukip, eto na, kaya mo na rin ikaw mag-accountant for yourself, for your business, habang pinapalaki mo siya, habang hindi mo pa kayang mag-hire ng sarili mong accountant. So yan. Ito yung mga skills na required actually. Bookkeeping is basic lang. Kailangan na iintindihan mo yung principles and yung concept. And that's exactly what are we going to do today for you to be able to understand that principle and concept. Sa accounting, mas advanced siya. Kailangan yung mga accounting standards, yung mga GAAP rules, IAS rules, yung mga yan. So, may mga kasama yan, especially with tax preparation. So, yun siya. Mas malalim siya. Ayan, ito pa, yung output, ito records and summaries lang. Sa accounting, kasama yung income statement. So technically, with the accounting system in Google Sheet, you really have an accountant kasi kaya niyang gawin to lahat, itong mga report na to. Tapos ito, yung role, ito, yan, foundation siya. Kapag maayos yung bookkeeping mo, eventually, when you hire an accountant, yung i-hire mo ng accountant would thank you talaga. Kasi I have experienced na may mga naging client ako na wala sila. Ang meron lang sila literal na kahon-kahon ng resibo, kahon-kahon ng mga, alam mo yon, pero wala yung actual na record kung nasaan. May mga client akong ganun kami nag-start. Yan. So, yung pag-perform, yung nito, ito, pwedeng weekly. Kung maraming transaction, I would suggest to do it daily para hindi siya mabigat. Pero kung konti lang, you can do it weekly or monthly. Ganyan. Tapos yung legal compliance nito, ayan, yung bookkeeper nakapokus siya on accurate record keeping, yung accounting nakapokus siya on ensuring that you comply with the laws talaga and regulation. So yun yung pinagkaiba niya.